Kaway-kaway, Team Rosa. Sasagot na naman po tayo ng katanungan galing sa isa nating follower kay Abu Halil Aman Kibad. Ang tanong niya ay kung authorized po ba o may authorization ang LTO na araw-araw mag-duty sa National Highway. Ang LTO law enforcers or ang kanilang deputized agents ay may authority na mag-operate sa public roads. Pag sinabi nating public roads, including dyan yung mga barangay roads, they are not limited to the national highway. Pero, bago po lumalabas ang ating mga LTO law enforcers, sila po ay covered by a memorandum na nag-authorize sa kanila to conduct law enforcement activities on the national highway or any public road for that matter. Pwede po sila mag-operate any time of the day or the night, granted na sila ay may authority at may dala silang memorandum authorizing them to do so.